Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Here are 10 MCQs with answers and explanations on Google Cloud CI/CD architecture design. Question 1. Which Google Cloud service is used for managing and executing CI workflows? Correct answer is Cloud Build. As Cloud Build is Google Cloud CI service for building, testing, and deploying applications. It supports integration with various repositories and custom build steps. Question 2. What is the primary purpose of Google Cloud Deploy in a CI/CD pipeline? Correct answer is to automate application delivery across environments, as Cloud Deploy is designed for CD, continuous delivery, managing progressive deployments across stages like dev, staging, and production using delivery pipelines. Question 3. Which tool helps customize Kubernetes manifests as part of the deployment process in Cloud Deploy? Correct answer is Customize. As Customize is a configuration management tool that integrates with Cloud Deploy to customize Kubernetes manifests without forking base files. Question 4. In a multi-cloud environment, which tool provides GitOps style delivery and is often integrated with Kubernetes? Correct answer is Argo CD. As Argo CD is a declarative GitOps tool for Kubernetes, ideal for managing multi-cloud and hybrid deployments by syncing state from Git repositories. Question 5. You want to manage the entire application lifecycle, build, test, deploy, in Google Cloud. Which combination of tools is most appropriate? Correct answer is Cloud Build and Cloud Deploy. As Cloud Build handles CI, build and test, and Cloud Deploy handles CD, delivery, making this pair the core Google native CI/CD stack. Question 6. Which of the following can help secure credentials used in CI/CD pipelines? Correct answer is using Secret Manager to inject secrets at runtime, as Google Secret Manager securely stores and manages secrets, making it best practice to inject them dynamically into CI/CD workflows rather than hardcoding them. Question 7. You want to build and deploy containers locally before pushing to production. Which tool can help streamline this in a CI/CD workflow? Correct answer is Scaffold. As Scaffold automates local Kubernetes development by managing build, push, and deploy cycles, ideal for testing before CI/CD pipelines. Question 8. What is the key benefit of using Jenkins in a hybrid cloud CI/CD setup? Correct answer is it offers flexibility and integration with many systems, as Jenkins is highly extensible and integrates with numerous tools and platforms, making it ideal for hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Question 9. What does Packer help with in a CI/CD workflow? Correct answer is creating identical machine images for multiple platforms, as Packer automates the creation of machine images, ensuring consistency across cloud platforms, which is useful in multi-cloud deployments. Question 10. What is a common security concern in CI/CD pipelines that must be addressed? Correct answer is exposure of secrets and credentials, as one of the major risks in CI/CD is leaking secrets such as API keys or credentials, which must be mitigated using tools like Secret Manager, Proper IAM, and least privilege principles. For full-length practice exams, check the link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and comment if you like the video.